2017 Subaru, we are doing a T13 remote. Long if the vehicle is on e-brake, manual transmission, it's on neutral. Once you take the ignition off, the vehicle is still running. It's on reservation mode, meaning that you can open the door, close the door, and then you are going to hit lock on the remote, and the vehicle is going to arm. What it does is shut down the vehicle. Now it allows you to start the vehicle. There it is, and it confirms and tells you that the vehicle is on and it's on remote start.